Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am Ada Seven. Welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. Yeah, I know imekuwa kitambo sana since I last uploaded here, but today is an amazing day for me and I'm pretty much excited for this day. Yeah, so as you've seen from the title of the video, I'm unboxing something amazing. Yeah, so for many years or for many whatever, I've been wanting this particular thing, and so it's my birthday and my mom gifted me. Yeah, so wakifanyanga aje kwa hizo vitu. Yeah, so my mom gifted me with something amazing that I've been wanting for so long. I've been shopping for it. I've been like window shopping for it. CJ yeah, but I've been waiting for it like sana. So my mom surprised me with it. I'm so much excited and so now I know you will watch this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Sana, and I feel so much humbled and I love you. Yeah, don't forget that I do love you and I appreciate your presence in my life and I feel appreciated and thank you so much. So with a count of 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so here's the surprise. Yeah, it's a Holland Vacuum lavalier microphone. I've been wanting it like sana. You know, I'm super much excited. I'm happy. Thank you so much for gifting me this. I don't know what to say. It's okay. I don't know what to say. I'm really happy. Yeah, so I've been shooting the videos and I've been struggling a lot with my voice. I feel like it's quite audible now. So at some point I stopped recording my videos because I felt like my voice is not doing me justice. Yeah, so let's unboxing. I'm happy. Thank you so much. So for yo, I'm happy and I don't know. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy and I'm much humbled. Sikalala nikiachiwa nikipata this thing. Nilikuwa nikitaka for long. It's my birthday. It's my birthday and yeah. Oh, this is the receivers. This is another receiver. The camera, whatever the stuff you carry it. So I think this is the terminal, like I the combo version. these days I really isn't there. It's the man now. I don't know. And it's a little here for you. Let's get in touch. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I don't know what to say. Sounds a bit challenging. Oh, parece que eu tô com oh, is a little bit. The music again. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Oh my god. Please in the microphone system. I can't do it though. It's actually hilarious. Like I told you. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Sana. Definitely the world has been working like that. Oh, good. Let's try and can see. Sasa sijui kuelekea aje. So, we do this, camera receiver, you can see, later receiver, later receiver, event translator, keyboard, BCD play to see, keyboard, instrument, okay. Like if you didn't fix then you listen to the sound afterwards. So, this one. Okay. Goes here. if you didn't read my book. And so guys, after many attempts of trying, of kujaribu, I think I finally got it. Yeah, so let me stick it here, nione. Yeah, so that's the sound of it with of me with the mic. I hope kuna difference. Definitely kuna difference, and thank you so much, and I'm so happy. Yeah, so that's my birthday and I'm so happy. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Actually, I'll be doing vlogs almost kila wakati sasa. Yo, bye.